In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brochure in Canva. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account or create a free one. Once you're in, you'll land on your Canva home dashboard. This is your main starting point, where you can see recent designs and all the different things you can create. From the home dashboard, look for the templates option near the top of the screen and click on it. Templates are pre-designed layouts that make your work much faster, and Canva has a huge library for almost any purpose. At the top of the templates page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word brochure. Press enter, and Canva will filter the templates to show only brochure designs. You'll now see a page full of brochure options in different styles, colors, and layouts. Click on the brochure category to confirm that you're looking specifically at brochure templates. Take a moment to scroll through and find a design that fits your brand or the message you want to share. When you find one you like, click on that template to open its preview. On the preview page, you'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click that. Canva will now open the brochure in the editor, where you can change text, images, and colors. To start customizing, click on any of the headlines in the brochure. When a headline is selected, you can type in your own title, adjust the font size, change the color, or pick a different font style from the toolbar at the top. Try to keep your headlines short and clear so they're easy to read. Next, click into the smaller text fields and replace the placeholder text with your own content. This is where you add details about your product, service, event, or organization. Keep paragraphs concise and use line breaks to make the brochure easy to scan. Now update the visuals. Click on any image in the template. You can either delete it and drag in a new image from the Uploads or Photos panel, or use the Replace option if it appears. Choose images that are high quality and relevant to your brochure's topic. You can also change the overall look by clicking on the background of each section. When the background is selected, pick new colors that match your brand or theme. Consistent colors across all pages will help your brochure look professional. Once you're happy with your design, go to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the dropdown, choose Download. A panel will open where you can confirm the file type, usually PDF for printing or digital sharing. Finally, click Download again, and Canva will prepare your file and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've just created and downloaded a custom brochure in Canva.